So what exactly is targeted traffic? It is something we founders mention a lot in ONPASSIVE, but how powerful is it? I will use this analogy to better explain the huge power of this ONPASSIVE product. Let us say, for example, you have two exact shops selling ladies' dresses, at the exact same prices. One of the shops is situated inside a large shopping centre or mall, like Castle Court or Victoria Square in Belfast. We will use these as examples, saying they are in my own country. The other identical shop is situated outside the shopping centre down a back street. Now, which shop is going to make the most sales? Well, the one inside the huge shopping centre, of course. Why? Because they will have more traffic being inside the busy shopping centre. Now that is okay up until a point, but there is still a huge problem with this model, which I will explain here. Firstly, 50% of the population of the world are male and 50% are female. The location inside the shopping center may be good, but not everyone is there, including females I may add, to visit your shop to purchase a dress. Although there may be a lot of traffic in that area, most of it is not there to visit your shop. Now here is the power of targeted traffic. Imagine every one of those people, who are coming into that massive shopping center, being there specifically to visit your shop, just so they can purchase one of those dresses. Now imagine that happening not just in a working day from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., but 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Then think about selling like that on a global scale, not just in a shopping center in the middle of Belfast, or any city or town, but around the world on a global scale. Can you see the incredible power of targeted traffic? I will be quite honest with you here and tell you straight, if I had a shop that was selling products, they could be anything. I would be all over this product. It gets better if that were possible. You see, not only will you sell globally, but this OP product can also geo-lock your position. Not only will you be selling your products globally online, but anyone after your product locally, the artificial intelligence picks it up and sends them your location, along with pictures of the products they require. Not only will you be inundated with orders from around the world, but you will also have a myriad of customers coming through the front door of your business. It is truly mind-blowing what ONPASSIVE has created. If I had a bricks-and-mortar product-based business, I would be extremely excited right now. But what about those home-based businesses that sell their products? Will this apply to them? The answer is simple, absolutely. It will work every bit as well. This is a game changer, a total transformation from the tired old, outdated way of product-based selling, thanks to ONPASSIVE's state-of-the-art technology. Seriously, if you cannot grasp the huge income potential in this, your mind has shut down. This will change your life. For more information, visit our website onpassive.com if you want to get in straight away, and why you would not. Paddy McGuigan. A Bill Must production.